Good morning, students. We will go further with our mathematics. Quadratic equations, factorization method was taught to you and you all have finished the exercise. Now, as I told you, all the quadratic equations cannot be solved by factorization method because many times you are not able to split up into two numbers giving you the desired product as well as the sum. So, we have got another method, that is the formula method. Now this is your quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The formula is x will be equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, whole thing upon 2a. So a, b, c values you can find out and you have to substitute in this and solve. Now always here you see plus and minus, that means once you will get two roots. एक root में we will take the plus, consider the plus sign and solve, and for the other root we will consider the negative sign and solve, so that you get two different values of x. Clear? That's it in the formula. So you have to by heart the formula and you have to have a practice of solving. Now this figure b square minus 4ac, not the root, okay, only b square minus 4ac, this is known as discriminant. What it is known as? Discriminant. Why? Because if we find out only this value b square minus 4ac, we can comment upon the nature of the roots. Like we can say what is going to be the roots of this equation, how they are going to be. For example, you calculate the value of b square minus 4ac and you get the value negative, like it is becoming less than 0. Less than 0 means negative. So suppose b square minus 4ac is becoming negative, it means that the roots are not real, they are imaginary roots. What they are? They are imaginary roots. The roots are not real and hence you cannot solve any further. Suppose you get b square minus 4ac greater than 0, means it is a positive number, positive non-zero number. Then you will get two distinct real roots. Distinct means different, and real roots. For example, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to minus 2, or x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5 upon 2. Two different values you will get. You will get two values and both the values will be different. Now suppose this b square minus 4ac turns out to be equal to 0. Suppose b square minus 4ac turns out to be equal to 0, then you will get two real roots, but both are going to be equal. मतलब वो जो लास्ट में दो ब्रैकेट्स आते हैं, it will be x minus 3 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So you will get x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 3. Means you are getting the same value from both the brackets. Okay, so just by finding out b square minus 4ac and depending on its value, you can comment on the nature of the roots. Sometimes in the question they don't ask you to solve the quadratic equation, they will ask you just comment on the nature, tell us how the roots are. So you have to just find out b square minus 4ac and accordingly whether it is negative, positive or equal to 0, you will write down your answer. Sometimes they will say that this is the quadratic equation, comment on the nature of the roots, and if real, please find. So you will first find b square minus 4ac. अगर वो negative आता है तो आगे solve ही नहीं करना है. You can tell that it cannot be solved because no real roots exist. And if it is greater than 0 or equal to 0, then you are going to solve it. Okay? Clear? So this page, I think it has been already posted. If not, I'll repost it. Just copy down this much part, what I have told you. And we will see one sum from the textbook solved. Now look at this question. They given you equation 5x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. You have to solve it by formula method. Now you will write comparing this with the general form. Write down what is a, what is b and what is c. And put the formula. Put all the values of the formula into this. Okay. And after solving, this is what you are getting. You see till last it is 2 plus or minus root 64, that is 2 plus or minus 8 upon 10. अब एक बार प्लस ले लो, 2 plus 8 upon 10 ले लो, एक वैल्यू आएगा, 2 minus 8 upon 10 ले लो तो दूसरा वैल्यू आएगा. So these are the two values. Sometimes you may not get a perfect square root, leave it as it is, उसको रूट में ही रख करके छोड़ देना है. Okay, clear? सो दिस फॉर्मूला यू कैन सॉल्व ऑल द सम्स, इवन जो फैक्टराइजेशन से सॉल्व होता है वो भी इसमें ये मेथड से सॉल्व हो जाएगा, लेकिन जो फैक्टराइजेशन से सॉल्व नहीं होता है उसको फॉर्मूला मेथड से ही करना है. क्वेश्चन पेपर में दे विल टेल यू that solve by factorization या solve by formula method, and if they are not mentioning you can solve by any method. Clear? So this completes your formula method of quadratic equation. Take down the notes and I'll give you the sums to solve. Thank you.